Apple has released an update to your iPad called iPadOS. It's actually a revised version of iOS 13 that's specifically designed for iPad. And so, with that, they've added a few extra features that can actually help you be more productive with your iPad. So, the first ones I want to show you have to do with Safari. So, if I open up Safari and I'm just going to simply do a Google search for something like a dog, and it'll do a search and it'll pull up my list of results. And if there is a link that I would like to check out, I could tap on that link and it would take me to it. But if I was to tap and hold with my finger and press and hold, I now get a new window that pops up over here on the side. And this gives me an option to open this into a new tab if I'd like in my browser, or I can actually choose to open it in a new window. So press and hold, open a new window, and it'll actually open two windows side by side. So on the left, I have my original Google search, and then on the right, I have my new window from the link that I pressed and held on. Now, I can use the divider line in the middle and tap and hold on that line, and I can control how much of my screen one window occupies. So I could give this one priority and then click and drag back and give this one priority until I'm finished. And then when I'm done or when I close, I simply tap on that line with my finger and drag it to the right or to the left until it's off the screen, and then that window gets closed. So I can go and find a new link, tap and hold, open a new window, check out that link, review it, see if I like the information on it, and then when I'm done with it, I can tap and hold to move that line off the screen to go back to my search results. So that's one of the new features in iOS 13.